Stolen Hearts Beat.
Yo guys, this is my bike check on Max Panel. Everyone follow my Instagram, john.whitney14. So yeah, let's get into it. So starting off, I've got Max's hookworms, 29-inch, and I've paint penned the ring blue. I think these look really nice, very good tyres. I recommend them for swerving, other things like that. Moving on, I have RockShox Recon forks. These are really good forks. They cost me £200. They're very bouncy. I like them. Moving on, we've got Redfall fat bars. These are the 800. So these are 800mm length with a 35mm rise. Moving on to my stem, I have a nuke-proof Horizon stem. These cost about 60 quid, really recommend them. They're kind of like Hope stems, but I prefer these stems. Onto my brake, I have a SRAM DB5. This is a 2-piston brake, and it's got fluid. I really like these brakes, it's a 2-finger. It's a very nice brake. Moving on to my grips, I have ODI long neck grips in blue with that flange. I like these grips, they're nice and comfy. They stick to your hand a little bit, that's what I like. Nice bit of grip on it. Then moving on to my shifter, I have a SRAM GX shifter 11 speed. These shifters are very underrated, I really like them. They're quite smooth, there isn't really much problems you get with them. They're nice. Moving on to here, I have a dropper seat post, brand X. This cost me about £250. It's a very good seat post if you ever want to just ride. It goes up very quickly. And yeah, that's moving on to the seat. I have a Bloxfly seat in blue.
It's quite hard to get.
I like this seat, nice and grippy and comfy, matches blue with the bike. Moving on to my frame. I have a Boardman team frame, 2016 model, very light frame, not much effort to pick up, very nice frame. This is a 18-inch frame, and yeah, I like the colour. Then moving on. Moving on to my cranks and bottom bracket, I have FSA Comet cranks in gloss black. I really like these cranks. They're nice, hollow tech. Moving on to the pedals, I have DMR V8s in black. Nice pedals, lots of grip. They hurt your shin though, but still good. Then down to the bottom of the bike, I have blue grip tape, just so I don't slip off in the bad weather. I have Hope quick release in black, bit scratch, but still, they're about 40 quid, so I'll probably get them in blue or another pair of black ones to match the front as well. Then moving on to my hub, I have a Hope Profile hub in blue. They're very good hubs, they're very loud. I'll do a quick sound check. So very loud, nice hub, makes your bike look so much better. It's all the little details, and that just love it. So I have nuke-proof Horizon rims. These are about 70 quid, very wide, strong rims. So if you compare it to my front wheel, the front hook one to the back, they're very fat, make your tyres that little bit extra fatter. And then moving on to my cassette, I have a SRAM GX cassette, 11 speed, very good cassette. And then my derailleur, I have 11 speed SRAM GX derailleur. This has a lock-in system in it, so if you're ever working on your bike, it locks it out, then you pull it forward, whip it back, and that's that. Then you have Hope jockey wheels in blue. These are very nice, little touches make your bike look so much better. And yeah, that's pretty much my bike.
So we're going to get some clips now and just show you what this bike can do. So let's get into it.
27 hearts.